Good morning to one and all present here. I am dealing with the subject for final year, that is production and operation management. Now let us understand what you mean by production management. First, understand the basic term. What do you mean by production? Production means what? Producing or manufacturing of any kind of the products. Okay, like whichever products are being sold in the market, how those products are being produced or how those products have been manufactured, that is called as a term production. Now the subject name is what? Production and operation management. Now let us try to split out these two words. Production means what? Producing the goods or manufacturing any kind of the products. And operation management. Now what do you understand by operation management? See, conducting of any kind of the activities which are there, that is called as a operation. The meaning of the term operation means what? Conducting any kind of the activities. Now for this production, I will give you one simple example that, now imagine that there are three processes, that is process 1, process 2 and process 3. Now what happens in process 1? In process 1 there is collection of the raw materials. Okay, how much raw materials are required in order to produce or manufacture the products. So after these raw materials, okay, they will start manufacturing the products which are there. Okay, that is work in progress. That will come in process 2. What will come in process 2? That is work in progress, means the product will be started manufacturing. And the final stage which is there, that is process 3. Now what will come in process 3? It is the finished product or it is the final product which we get, means after producing any kind of the products. Okay, now in process 3 they will do proper packaging, labeling, brand name will be given for that particular product. Okay, so these all stages will come in production. So in this subject we are going to study about the production, okay, and operation management. Now let us see the meaning of that. In meaning of production management, you need to remember that production management involves application of planning, organizing, directing and controlling to the production process. Now these four functions you have already studied in the functions of management. The four functions of management, that is planning, organizing, directing and controlling. So briefly we will be seeing about this planning. Planning means what? Okay, deciding in advance, means what work has to be done and when and how it has to be done and all that. That is called as a planning. And organizing. Organizing means what? Making arrangement of necessary factors of production or making arrangement of necessary resources, means organizing in a proper manner. And directing and controlling. Directing means giving proper direction or giving proper instructions. And controlling. Controlling means what? Whenever there is any kind of the error or whenever there is any kind of a mistake, okay, it needs to be controlled. So these four functions of management are to be there to the production process. Now one simple example I'll give you that, okay, like imagine that workers are producing any kind of the product. So we will take simple example that imagine 20 workers are there. So out of the 20 workers, 5 workers we will put in process 1, okay, and 5 workers we will put in process 2, and remaining 10 workers which are there we will put in process 3. Okay, so like that way, now which workers are there in process 1? No, they will be trying to do their particular work, and which workers are there in process 2. And in process 3 which workers are there, for them what happens? Okay, means they are doing packing work and all that. So they should keep in mind that whether they are doing proper packaging or not. So like that way, this everything needs to be kept in mind. So this is all about production management. Only need to remember that in production and operation management you will be studying about how the products have been produced. Okay, what is the production process, means what is the process of production. Like that only the goods which are there will not be sold in the market. For that, no, different processes are there, or for that different stages are there. That is process 1 is there, process 2 is there and process 3 is there. So these three different stages we have explained briefly. Like in process 1 they will try to collect the raw materials. Then process 2, the work will be in progress, means it will be semi-finished or half completed product. And final product which is there, that will come in the process 3. So this is all about production management. Now let us study about the characteristics of production and operation management. In that, first one is what? Manufacturing as competitive advantage. Now manufacturing as competitive advantage means what? Now the goods which have been produced or manufactured, okay, so those should be properly manufactured. Now it is there as a term as a competitive advantage. Nowadays you can see that, okay, there is a tough competition being faced outside the world. So like that way different companies are there, okay, they want to earn best, okay, means they want that their company reputation should be good, and whatever the sales are there, means whichever products they are selling, no, okay, they should get more and more, earn more and more profit. So it is there as a competitive advantage. Then next one is service orientation. Now what do you mean by service orientation? Now usually what happens, what is the main motto or what is the main objective of any kind of the organization? Profit making. Okay, this is the main objective of any organization. And service orientation means what? Okay, rendering good services to the customer. Like simple example is there, like if we take that a salesman, okay, how the salesman will render, okay, good services to the customer by convincing the customer to purchase the products. So like that way service orientation means what? Rendering good services or providing good services to the people, or rendering good services to the customer. So that is the main advantage. Then disappearance of smoke tax. Now this means what? Now whenever the company will go or incur into losses, okay, how we try to prevent such kind of the loss. Like usually what happens, it is not all the time that company will be profitable only. At times the company may go into loss or it may incur into loss. So what all steps can be taken in order to prevent such kind of the losses, okay. Then last one is what? Small has become beautiful. Now what do you mean by small has become beautiful? Usually we give more preference or more importance to the large things or big things which are there, and we try to neglect the small things only, means minor items which are there or small things which are there, no, we try to neglect that. So that should not happen. Means small also has become beautiful. Means even the small things which are there, even the minor items or minor things which are there, it is more good or it is more efficient and it has become more beautiful, because even the small things will lead to the big things which are there. So we should not try to neglect the small items or small things which are there. Now one example is there. Now if you want to produce or manufacture the car, like small parts which are there for that, small spare parts, even one single part also is more important. So these are the different characteristics of production and operation management. Now in this syllabus, okay, or this subject, you need to remember that production and operation management means what? Producing the goods which are there, okay, and that should be good, production should be in a good stage or good manufacturing of products has to be done. And operation management means what? Okay, different kind of the activities which are there. And this production operation management, 3 processes were there, that is process 1, process 2 and process 3. And what happened in process 1? In process 1 means collection of all the raw materials. Then process 2 means the things which were there or goods which were there, it is in a progress. And process 3 means what? Okay, now in process 3 comes, it is a finished product or a final product, okay, giving them proper packaging, labeling and brand name for that particular product. Okay, this everything you will be studying in the production management, and these were the characteristics of production management. Okay, now this is the main concept of production operation management you need to remember.